Hello everyone. So this question is from one of the Canadian math exam. Here we are given a rectangle A, B, C, F, right? The length of this rectangle is 30 centimeter. The width is 14 centimeter and this FE is 5 centimeter. This area 266 square centimeter is of the quadrilateral ABDE. Okay. This is of the quadrilateral ABDE. What do we need to find out? We need to find out this question mark, that is the length of DC. So let's see how we can find the length of DC. First of all, please look at the figure ABDE. Okay. In this figure, I am assuming the length of ED as X centimeter. Okay. Now, if you look carefully, in a rectangle, two opposite sides are parallel to each other. So if two opposite sides are parallel, definitely AB will be parallel to ED. Correct? Now, if AB is parallel to ED, this quadrilateral ABDE will turn out to be a trapezoid or trapezium. Trapezoid or trapezium. Yes. So, this figure ABDE is a trapezoid or a trapezium. Correct. Now, what is the formula for area of a trapezoid or a trapezium? The area is half times sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides times height. Correct? Height of the trapezoid. Now, in this case, if you look carefully, the height of the trapezoid is nothing but the width of the rectangle. That means the height will be this. Width of the rectangle is 14 centimeter. So, height will be 14. Now, we will be using this formula to find the value of x centimeter. So, let's use this formula for trapezium ABDE. The area is 266 square centimeter. So, half times sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? 30 and x. 30 centimeter and x centimeter are the parallel sides. Times height. Height is 14 is equals to 266. If I simplify this, 2 and 14 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 is 56. That means we will get 30 plus x is equals to 38. That means x will turn out to be 8 centimeter. X will turn out to be 8 centimeters. So let's write it down. This x is 8 centimeter. Okay. Now we can easily find DC. What is DC? DC is nothing but FC minus FD. Correct? What is FC? FC is FC. FC is the length of rectangle, that will be 30 centimeter, minus FD. FD will be combination of 5 and 8. Minus 5 minus 8. So that will give us 30 minus 13. That means the length of DC will turn out to be 17 centimeter. That will turn out to be 17 centimeter. That will be our final answer. This question mark is 17 centimeter. I hope you understood the question.